An update now on what's going on at the top of Carmel schools. We've learned today that a second employee at the Carmel Clay schools is now on paid leave. The district just announcing that its HR manager also on leave. This move 48 hours after that same move was made for the superintendent there. Emily Longnecker joins us now after she dug for answers on this all day long.
And the district won't elaborate in any way if these two leaves, both the superintendents and the human resource managers, are related in any way. What we do know from a statement from the school board is that these leaves are part of the board's review of district leadership.
Eyewitness News filed public records requests asking for any documentation from the district related to the paid administrative leaves of District Superintendent Dr. Nicholas Wall and Human Resources Manager Corinne Middleton.
The school board has placed Superintendent Dr. Nicholas Wall on administrative leave.
The school board announced Wall's leave Monday night after its meeting. The announcement about Middleton came Wednesday morning in an email. In a statement from the board released Monday night and emailed to parents, the board's president said, quote, "The board is undertaking a thorough review of its district leadership and believes that its action today will enable it to complete this review more quickly and in a manner that respects the confidentiality of its employees' personnel matters."
A district spokesperson also said that there is no timeline set for when this leadership review could be completed. A school board meeting is set for a week from today. So far, no agenda has been published to say what could be discussed at that meeting. In Carmel, Emily Longnecker, Channel 13 Eyewitness News.